Hey everyone, so today we're doing a very exciting video. In this video, we are going to be attempting to follow a Nikkietutorials makeup tutorial. So I saw the Gabby show do a video just like this one, and I also saw Thomas Halbert, I hope I'm pronouncing that right. I saw him do a video like this, but following Jeffree Star's makeup tutorial, and they were so entertaining and fun. So without further ado, let's get into trying this makeup look. Fingers crossed. Okay, so I'm gonna put Nikki's video over here, so I'll scooch over a bit. This video, she actually used all Kylie Cosmetics, and I actually have nothing from her brand, which kind of sucks, but I have like other stuff that I think is around the same colors, so hopefully we can make it work. I tried to match it as best as I could, so already we're at a disadvantage, but...
This was inspired by Kylie herself on the promo pictures for this collection, of course, with a little bit of a Nikkie twist to it, but yeah, it is Valentine's Vixen.
Also, I already did my face makeup and my eyebrows. My eyebrows are extremely bold today. It wasn't working out, so I just kept adding more and more and more, and now here we are. Okay, so this color, I'm gonna use this one because it looks really similar actually. It could almost be the same shade, and this is from the Femme Rosa She palette.
I don't want to create a rounded, smoky eye, so make sure you don't wing it out too much, but kind of round it in.
Round it, don't wing. Gotcha. Oh, not just in the crease, it's down here too.
Inner corner of the crease.
Okay, this is a lot. I'm like really getting up to my brow bone. I don't think I was supposed to go that high. Okay, let's continue. Mine's not dark enough.
Hopping over to the Diary Shadow palette and taking this color here called Heart.
Hold on, I need to find a color that's the same. I'm actually going to be using this one. It's not as deep, but it's what we have, so we'll make it work. Oh my gosh, that is so pigmented. It's pretty good actually.
On the center of the lid.
I've honestly never been good with the dark on the inside. I've just never thought it looked good on me, so I can't deal with this fallout under my eyes. Oh no, we're running out of this spot. This spot where you're gonna put sparkles. It's getting smaller and smaller. I keep covering it. No. I don't know. Oh my gosh, I just looked in the viewfinder. What is wrong with me? This better just come together. It's gotta come together.
Health and love.
Okay, wow, it's really pretty. How high? How high? I mean, it's not as good, but like, I like how she like sculpted the crease with this shiny color. I've never done that. I feel like it looks pretty. Not bad. Next step, here is what we got. It's not that great, but oh well. Okay, I hope this is pigmented because hers is super pink. Oh, not bad, not bad. Okay, I need like a drink of water. I don't think anyone would want me on Valentine's Day looking like this. Oh my gosh. You know what? Sometimes makeup looks do look a little crazy, and then you put like lashes and stuff on and they come together. So I'm kind of banking on that, so we'll see.
Give the illusion of a wider, bigger eye.
I don't know if I have a brush for that, but okay, I'm gonna try my best. I'm gonna get really sunk down while doing this because I need to look. I look like a clown. What's happening? Nikki, why don't you look good? So I have these white liners. This one's from e.l.f. It's so old. I'm pretty sure it doesn't work anymore, but I'm gonna use the little applicator to get this. This is the NYX Pencil and Milk, which might also be dried up. Hi, I have no new makeup, please sponsor. Imagine you have a date in an hour and it's Valentine's Day and you want to follow this tutorial and this is where you're at and your date's gonna be there in 10 minutes. What do? What are you honestly gonna do? You know what, I'm at that stage of like anger when I'm about to give up, so I gotta just not give up yet. Don't give up yet, Mia. It's not over yet. It may look like it's over, but it's not. I don't have glitchy glam. Okay, I have lashes though. I'll just go grab a pair. I passed a few mirrors on my way to get eyelashes and it wasn't the best, but wasn't the worst, so. One other thing that kind of scares me about this tutorial is she doesn't wear eyeliner, and I wear eyeliner every single day, so this is gonna already be a big change. Okay, I'm just gonna put on these lashes because I actually don't have any lashes that look as big as hers, so I have to use these. They're not the best quality, but they won't look too bad, so I'm gonna use them. Her lines of her eye makeup are just so crisp. I don't know how she does it so perfect. It's really, really something else.
blush in taupe.
I'm using, this is almost the same color, so, and I guess I'll use my fan brush.
You are gonna wear this to a first date and scare that boy or scare that girl and go back to your makeup where you belong.
Literally.
That's a joke, that's a joke. If you find true love, get it, girl, get it.
I would genuinely scare someone away. So hers is more peachy, but this is the lightest highlighter I have. Nikki has such a nice nose. I wish I had her nose. It's so nice. That is a lot of highlighter. What am I doing? Oh my gosh. My date's not gonna like me anymore.
And of course some setting spray to melt this all together and make it look flawless.
Please let it last all day. She struggles with lip products for a while, but she ends on this deep dark color. So I have this. This is actually Wet n Wild, and it's in the shade Cherry Picking. It's almost the same shade actually, which is impressive. I just got lipstick on my face. Honestly, it's time to be done. Hers is way deeper than mine. Okay, so that's the last step, but I want to darken it up a bit, so I'm just gonna take an eyeshadow. And this is kind of weird, but
Yeah, that concludes.
I wonder if she would love it on me, because I really doubt it. All right, Nikki, get out of here. Okay, so since Nikki has blue eyes, I'm gonna quickly go put in some blue contact lenses. They're a little bit like light gray, but we'll see what they look like. I just think the pink will pop a bit better, so let's go do that quickly. Okay, you guys, so here are the contact lenses in. I actually think this made me look horrifying. Genuinely scaring myself right now. Genuinely put these in, and then I looked in the mirror and I was like, oh, what? But I'm kind of to the point where if I took them out right now, I think I would ruin my makeup. Like I'd like rip an eyelash off and like smudge the glitter. So we're just gonna deal with it. I know it looks a little bit weird. Please put up with it. I actually don't hate this makeup look. I do think that Nikki can execute any makeup look a lot better than I can. Obviously, we know for sure now. I do really like the sculpted out with the sparkles, and I wouldn't have thought to do that. So I'm definitely gonna bring that into my normal makeup look. But what do you guys think of this makeup look? I genuinely think I look like an evil Valentine, so I don't know. I don't hate, I just don't love. So if you guys enjoyed this video and there's a makeup tutorial that you want me to follow and try and complete the look, be sure to link it down below and I will maybe turn this into a series. I really do like doing this type of video. I love doing makeup tutorials. I like trying new looks, and you guys ask for makeup tutorials once in a while, so maybe this is how I can do the makeup tutorials and test some. I don't know, I think that would be fun. So I hope you guys like this video because I want to turn it into a series. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to click the subscribe button because I post new videos Friday, and this week I actually posted Friday. This video's Sunday, and there will be another one on Valentine's Day, which is Wednesday, then on Friday again. So I'm posting a lot recently. But anyways, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!